Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. So, today in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about food processing and food preservation. Okay? Our topic for today in agricultural science is on food processing and food preservation. Are you prepared for today's lesson? You are, right? That's good. So first, we are going to be looking at the meaning of food processing. Okay? Good. It's when we take raw ingredients like fruits, vegetables, and grains and transform them into the delicious and safe food we find in stores or on our plates. Think of it as a series of special recipes and methods to make food better. Okay? Food processing means taking regular natural foods like fruits, vegetables, and grains and using special tricks to make them safe to eat, last longer, and taste really good. Okay? Do we understand that? Food processing is when we change regular food into the yummy stuff we eat. It's like turning simple ingredients into delicious meals. So food processing is like the superhero of agriculture because it keeps our food safe, tasty, and always available. Do we understand that? That's good. So now we are going to be looking at the importance of food processing. What are the importance of food processing? Safety. Food processing makes sure our food is safe to eat by removing harmful bacteria and other bad stuff that make us sick. It makes sure our food is safe to eat, like cleaning it up so it won't make us sick. Preservation. It helps food last longer so we can enjoy our favorite foods even when they are out of season. So food processing helps food last longer so we can enjoy it even when it's out of season. We can enjoy our favorite foods all year. Variety. We can enjoy a wide variety of foods year round, not just when they are in season, thanks to food processing. It lets us have lots of different foods, even if they are not in season. Convenience. It makes our lives easier by providing ready-to-eat meals, canned goods, and snacks that are easy to prepare and enjoy. Food processing makes food easy to prepare and eat, like ready-made snacks or meals. Nutrition. Sometimes food processing can even make food more nutritious by adding vitamins and minerals. So sometimes it can make food even healthier by adding good things like vitamins. Okay? So food processing is like a kitchen wizard that makes sure our food is yummy, safe, and always available. Okay, we now know the meaning of food processing, right? And also the importance of food processing. Good. Next, we are going to be looking at the meaning of food preservation. Food preservation means keeping food fresh and safe to eat for a long time. It's like a way to make sure our food doesn't spoil quickly, so we can enjoy it even after some time has passed. So food preservation is all about keeping our favorite fruits, vegetables, and other tasty things fresh for a long time. It helps us have yummy food whenever we want. Okay? Do we understand that? Food preservation is like a superpower that keeps our food safe, tasty, and ready to eat whenever we want. So next, we are going to be looking at methods of food preservation. Okay? What are the methods of food preservation? 1. Sun drying. This is when we put food out in the sun to make it dry, like raisins. It keeps the food safe to eat for a long time. So sun drying is like making natural sun snacks. We lay food out in the sun to dry and it takes away the water so the food won't spoil. Another method of food preservation, smoking. We use smoke from burning wood to make food taste good and stay fresh, like smoked fish or meat. So smoking is like giving food a smoky flavor and making it last longer by exposing it to the smoke from burning woods. Okay? Next, frying. Frying is like cooking in hot oil. It makes food crispy and protects it from spoiling. We cook food in hot oil to make it crispy and seal it off from air, which helps keep it fresh. Another method of food preservation, canning. We put food in jars, close them tightly, and heat them up to keep the food safe and tasty for months. So canning is like trapping food in a jar. We put food in a jar, seal it tight, and heat it to keep the bad stuff away. Salting. Just like we put a little salt on food, we can cover food with salt to stop it from going bad. Okay? Just like when you add a pinch of salt in your food. We cover food in salt to keep it from going bad. Another method of food preservation we have refrigerating. The fridge keeps food cool, like a superhero's icy cave, so it stays fresh for a long time. So it's like giving our food a cold, cozy home. The fridge keeps food fresh by making it very cold. So these are the methods of food preservation. Okay? Sun drying, smoking, frying, canning, salting, and refrigerating. Okay? Now let's look at the reasons for food preservation. What are the reasons for food preservation. Enjoy food all year. It helps us have our favorite foods even when they are not in season. Yummy food all year. It lets us enjoy our favorite foods even when they are not in season. No wasting. Food doesn't go bad, so we don't throw it away. That's good for the planet. We don't have to throw away food that spoils, right? Which is good for the planet. Stay healthy. We can eat fruits and veggies even when they are not fresh from the garden, so we can be healthy. Okay? So food preservation is like a superpower that helps us have tasty and healthy food whenever we want, and also saves the day by reducing food waste. Okay? Do we understand? So today's topic on food processing and food preservation, we understood them, right? We talked about the meaning of food processing, the importance of food processing, and we also looked at the meaning of food preservation, the methods for food preservation, and the reasons for food preservation, right? And we understood everything on that. Good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignment, right? Because it's easy. We talked about them on today's lesson, right? Good.